Today we have a new cash register of frozen fever. In this cash register we get a working scanner, a working calculator, a boxes, a juice of bottle, a bottle of juice, and a cash. And a cash keeping space. So first we will take a look at money, coins and credit card. We got 20 cents, 50 cents and 10 cents. We get 10 euro, 5 euro, 50 euro, 500 euro, 200 and 100 euro. In this we also get a credit card of frozen. Now I will keep all the money in the space we have got. Now we will show you how to use this cash register. We will first look at our scanner. Camera scanning. Oh wow, it works. We got boxes. We got a working calculator. If I press, it sounds when we press buttons. So first we will use our credit card. Sounds when we put our credit card. We can open and put our money in this. We got oil. Also, thank you for watching our video and please subscribe on our channel.